Frame the fabric in a hoop and attach it to a table or any convenient surface. Use a hoop holder if you have one. Add a source of light under the hoop in a dark room. Center the design and transfer it to the fabric with a pencil or a fabric pen. Start the thread padding by fixing the end of the bulky cotton thread at the base of the petal. Stitch the thread 2-3 mm inside of the petal's design. After you reach the starting point, turn towards the middle and continue until you reach the top of the petal. Make few stitches to fix the thread in place and cut it short. Repeat the process for the rest of the petals. For the felt padding, transfer the petal design onto the felt and cut them out. Align the felt petals over the thread padding and stitch it in place using small straight stitches. Repeat for the rest of the petals. For the middle of the flower, place 2 layers of felt and stitch it in the same way. To cover the padding with satin stitch, use 4 strands of cotton thread. Place the stitches close together, keeping the same direction. For the middle of the flower, change the color of the thread to light yellow and stitch in the same way. Start the couching of the golden thread at the base of the petal. Leave the end of the thread longer and hide it with a needle or cut it short after a few stitches. Align the golden thread in between the threads of the first padding. Use more tension to pull the stitches down to create a texture. Keep the distance between the stitches even. Without cutting the golden thread, continuously couch it, starting at the base of the petal to the top and back, then around it and continue to the next petal following the same steps. Using a beading needle, stitch the sequins around the middle of the flower. Make small stitches placed close together to keep the sequins standing. Using the same needle and thread, continue with the beading. Start by adding the first 2 beads, make a stitch back, go through the beads and add another 2 beads. Make another stitch back and come up behind the 3rd bead. Go through all 3 beads and add another 2. Continue like this until the circle is complete. To do the leaves, use long and short filling stitch. Start by placing guiding stitches to establish the direction. Fill in the spaces between the guiding stitches and add more as you move along the edge. After the edge is complete, stitch the inner part of the leaf, directing the stitches toward the middle. This creates more realistic design. If you want to simplify a bit the stitching, first create the outline of the leaf using the outline stitch, and keeping the same direction, fill the entire leaf with long and short stitch. This way you don't have to worry of changing the direction of the stitches. Using a beading needle and a metallic thread, couch the golden thread around every leaf. To end the golden outline, cut the thread long, thread the end into an embroidery needle and pull it to the back of the fabric. With 2 strands of metallic thread, stitch the veins of the leaf by making long stitches and securing them with few small stitches. The chamomile flower is now complete. I hope you enjoyed it.